Is this practical? Fuck no. Is it gonna help with the way the car drives? Also no. But does it make my inner child do this? Fuck yes. So that's all that matters. I pay my own bills. I can do what the fuck I want. Let's get this off. Easy. Well, this is actually quite heavy. Oh, I like that. I like that. This is the widest one, so no choice. Just in case having a Katana gear shift wasn't silly enough, we have this or this. Gonna see which one works best. These are gear boot covers, but big butt. They just fit over. They don't actually go into the mechanism. So let's see if they look dumb. Yeah. This. Oh. Now the red one doesn't look as nice. Okay, let's try. Actually, I have to put quite a bit of pressure on this thing. So, test fit. Okay, let's check this out. Alright, come off, you fucker. Test fit. Okay, I'm quite liking it. Despite the silliness of it not going all the way down, I think we're gonna try this. And then take it for a quick ride and see. So, loosen this. Push that down. Okay, I can't drop these fuckers. Jeez, look how tiny this is. So it came with the Allen key, and I don't even know what to call these. Call them easy to lose around things. Put it near. Safer spot for that for now. Let's just get these in. So this should technically fix this in place so it doesn't move around, which makes a lot of sense. Probably don't even need to put it in too far because there are 6 of them, so each side just a little bit into the rubber, which is quite soft, so that should stop it moving around. Okay, that side is done. Oh, this side is tricky. It's getting there. Okay, maybe not so tricky. It was easier than I thought. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake. Where did it drop? Oh, fuck. The one thing I didn't want to happen has fucking happened. Shit. Fuck. One slight knock and I fucked the... Okay, I see it. I see it. No train smash. I found it. Okay. I got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. To say I was concerned would be an understatement. That was going to fucking suck. Alright. Next one. Oh, that is fast. To get into reverse is done here. Yeah. Put that there. Reverse is still easily accessible. So, final result. So it's the boot cover. I guess all that's left now is a test drive. So let's test drive. Oh, the fan is blowing full force. So, something I forgot. Well, this aircon gets up to temp. I got this. So, technically I bought one with my Temu order, but our boy Cammy, aka The Grinch, you can check his car out, I'll put the links in the description. He got me this, so I'm hanging this one. More sentimental value. Let it not be said that I am heartless again. Okay, here we go. Quick knot over the top. Boom. Okay, at least hang straight, you fucker. Is that too low? I don't know. I like it. Shit, do I have my license? It's something I can never do because I am usually... Fuck is my phone? I was gonna say I should text my brother to see my phone is upstairs. But how the fuck am I gonna text without the phone? Alright, let's go. Oh, this is fun. Oh, this is so much fun. For no reason at all. This is just... Oh, fucking hell. This is good. Does it get in the way of anything? Not particularly. You can access the aircon and stuff. That's fine. Handbrake is fine. The radio is fine. Okay, yeah. It actually doesn't block anything. This is gonna be a quick one. There I'm back again. Tail by Bilbo Baggins. I am really enjoying the way this looks. It feels a bit thin in the hand, but I generally shift low down anyway. This is fun. Oh, hang on. It's still rotating a bit. I need to tighten it. Yeah, that is... No, that's not ideal. this is actually one of the things that I was looking forward to. Being able to do stupid shit with your money. I think I don't do enough stupid shit with my money, so time to change that. I'll probably hang this a bit higher as well. Seems like it's a bit low down. Not gonna lie, I still prefer the stocky feel in the hand. God damn it, this sword isn't just fun. It's the small things. The small things. I will be keeping this for now. I think I'll check for a silver one because I probably enjoy this. First impressions, that's surprisingly not as different as I thought. I was expecting the shifts to be so much longer, but relatively similar. What I need to do now is tighten these because I don't think it's meant to move like that. Let's see how tight they go without going all the way through, because I'm assuming if I send it straight through the metal, I'm fucked. So I can't take this thing off, and I don't know how much effort it's going to be to just cut this out. Tighten that side. Tight. Okay, last side. If this doesn't work now, then I guess I have a bit of a jiggly gear knob and that's it. Oh, yes, baby. Fast. Okay. That's a win. That is a fucking win. Alright. Start you. So, I definitely need experience with bow tying because that is pretty terrible. But overall, I think it turned out quite nice. And now, unfortunately, I'm feeling the urge to find a silver one. And maybe something with a silver string instead of gold. Something to match the interior of the car, you know. The red, black, and silver. Oh, let's see how it goes.